2050 to 2026. This is making me sick. Years of frustration, what have I become? Complications of who and what I am. Just a man of the race they call human. They label me African American. While the world moved through eras of change. Through the ages we were already in our right mind.
My people were there, standing the test of time. It's been stated, confirmed by your science, the truth that everyone seems to rely on.
Now to the world the truth has been conceived.
We were not in Africa swinging from trees.
The way so many still choose to believe.
It's just an anticipation of reparation for the toil and the sweat. In the West they'll never forget the harvest.
Reparation harvest. Reparation harvest. Before man became man, our hearts were free. Not superior, not inferior, equal, can't you see? I'm trying to let you see through these eyes. Some still treat me like I owe them
a bit of compromise,
but the debt is owed to us, a foundational fee for my contribution to this life. In this US of A,
they gave the Jew their just dues for a pain faced elsewhere. They gave the Indian Native American a portion to share, pieces of their own land, a token to repair. Yes, it wasn't much, but they got theirs right there.
They gave us nothing, just a silence so profound. The president gave an apology 400 years later in sound. They gave the Indian pieces of their own land, pieces of the West they couldn't understand. But for us, the ones who built it with our hands, they gave us nothing from this harvest. Reparation harvest. Reparation harvest. The sun goes down over the West, a land built on the bones of the oppressed. 400 years they put us to the test. Now we need our just due for the harvest. You refuse to give us, and that's okay. Tell me, what do you say? But what about the babies, the women led astray? The ones who were stolen, the ones who were raped. It's just an anticipation, a long-awaited reparation. Reparation hard.